Hi guys, welcome back to Vermont Maple View Farm. Today we're going to make broccoli cheddar pie. Let's go over some of the ingredients. We have ham here. We had ham over Easter and I had a big one, so I carved off what was left. Some chopped up broccoli, some green scallion or green onion, cheddar cheese that's already shredded. You can shred your own. And I put in 2 yellow, medium size or small Yukon Gold potatoes. A little salt and pepper, 4 eggs, half a cup of oil, and a cup of Bisquick. We're gonna mix it together just to make the pie. It's for snacking or quick breakfast, maybe as a little appetizer to bring to a party. All right, let's blend them all up. We're gonna start with adding 4 eggs into our bowl. You can crack them in another vessel so you don't have to worry about the shells getting into your pie or whatever you're making. I'm going to be very bold today and crack them right into this bowl since we don't have our other ingredients already in it. So there's our 4 eggs. We're going to do half a cup of oil, any neutral oil. I have canola, and you want to use a liquid measure. A lot of people make a mistake and use a dry measure. This is a dry measure. Dry ingredients, wet ingredients. So that it's exactly. And there's a half a cup of oil. We're gonna do 1 cup of Bisquick. So we'll just level it off in there. I'm using a half a cup measure just because it's easier to get into the box, but essentially we are doing 2, so it will be a whole cup. We're gonna mix up these ingredients just to get them a little bit incorporated. And at this point we have our base of whatever pie that you want to make. We're going to make it with some ham, some cheddar, and some broccoli and potato. So I'm just going to add in the ingredients until it looks full. I'm going to salt on my potato and pepper on my potato just because the potatoes take a little more salt and pepper than you would think. And it coats it, and we'll move on. Some broccoli. I don't want to overwhelm the batter, so I would say, what is that, maybe a cup. Half a cup of ham, and we're gonna mix it up, make sure that it coats it up. If our batter is looking way too battery and no stuff, we can certainly add more. We're gonna put in some green onion, salt and pepper, now we're going to add our ingredients to the pan, and we'll put the cheese on top and throw it into the oven. Okay, into a 375-degree oven for about 45 minutes, but keep an eye on it. All ovens cook differently. You want your cheese to be bubbly and warm on top and a little brown. Okay, well, our pie is done. I put it in a larger vessel than I normally do, so today it was ready in 22 minutes. Should you put it in a smaller vessel, maybe 45 minutes. All right, doing a cooking channel is all new to me, so bear with us. If you have any questions, you can certainly ask below. Here you go. It's so yummy. All right, here it is, all dressed up for a party on a platter, ready to go. It smells really good, and let's see how it tastes. Oh, it's a little hot. It's really good. I personally love it for breakfast. All right, well, we'll see you next time right here in Vermont Maple View Farm. Subscribe, like, thumbs up. I think Mr. Maple View Farm would love to take a piece and try it. Here it is, ready for a party. All right, we have broccoli, potato, ham in a pie, and